Kisii FM emerongo kianda nye enuguteyemo enka yomugusi.
Gorwa chintanda nye chense gosi
bono nengaki yogokorera abananchi emirimo.
Serikali etumie professionals ku understand ibintu byonse.
CPC iyetegetense ibwatutse
Tutakegazi.
Kenya.
We are going to work together to take this country to the next level.
Nensengima aya namang'ana Amayia Kisii FM tangu chinde chonsi chitayo tegogoto weiwere.
Mugasomi omonchomo tegerere ya itanire tegekeye muguru chinsa isano na ibere chabono mugaso chinga kinende ngokoretera Amang'ana Amayia asinchira yobwikirano kurende tonyere gati Amang'ana yo asinchira yobwengeritangani. Chinga kinsengima egwikirania rituko ryo kumurikira uburere bwa isukari ababwatani ase sekta yobocheno nigo bagenderete no musafara bogosemia bamenyi be county ya Kisii igori uburere bwo bw'isukari imumucho obosongo. Komiti ye bunge etenenete chibesa amone mirubirio nigegendete kumoninki omuriki obotambe omochora ase wizara ikiganche kinene gie serikali Dr. Chris Kiprop irinde guche komwanchira gocha kemirimo yaye. Mugavana bwe county Trans Nzoia Umuske George Natembeya nigo abakulira abanyagitari meye county ejo abaga kore mirimo asinyagitari che serikali kibabate che clinic cyabo abanyene. Muncho mutegerere na kwariganirie erinde yanyara ya munayanda manga sinchira yobwikirano buna baga gutwikira SMS ya Amang'ana Amayia ime ya Kisii FM ireterane nguru kwa Purity Nyangweso.
Omwancho mutegereri bono toerera uyaigwe buna gwateka kurwa SMS ya Amang'ana Amayia ime ya Kisii FM.
Kisii FM enka yomugusi.
Chingaki ensengima egwikirana rituko kumurikira uburere bw'isukari ababwatani ase sekta yobocheno nigo bagenderete no musafara bwogosemia bamenyi be county ya Kisii igori uburere bw'isukari imumucho obosongo abwatani abo nigo batebirubuna nigo besokirie rende kubasemia bamenyi be county ya Kisii igori yenchinchira babonerete kwerenda chingaki barwari to uburere bw'isukari nabuna barachigwetanga kurakonyora uburere obwo bakorago no muwaziri bobocheno ime ye county ya Kisii Musibati Sara Omache abwatani abo ase sekta yobocheno nigo baenekire buna nigo bagenderirie taro yabo irinde kubapima abamenyi be county ya Kisii amorere au alia atari kwambukira amanyakanite buna non-communicable diseases irinde ugiri Musibati Omache chinga kyaringe gukwana negetesine kemugie TV aiga Kenya.
We have specialists who are up to help people find out what is their status, how are they, do they have blood pressure, do they have sugar, do they have this diabetes, and so we are saying every Kenyan needs to know their status of health as far as sugar is concerned. Today is World Diabetes Day, and in Kisii County we are coming together with the world to say that this disease should be eradicated, and we want to teach and we want to show what we can do to be able to avoid diabetes, and that's why we are carrying out a diabetic walk.
Chinga kiechebaigo omanyagitari otenenereta maroira ali atari kwambukira imeye county ya Kisii Dr. David Okinyi nigene kiribune serikali ya county ya Kisii nigo kubaterana nababwatani bande irinde gwikirana ritukiriga ryoborere bw'isukari na kubasemia bamenyi be county ya Kisii unabarabe bakwerenda.
My name is Dr. Okinyi David. I'm the head of non-communicable diseases Kisii County, and today we are marking the World Diabetes Day, 14th of November, and this it's a worldwide activity, and in the country we have also many other counties participating in it. The theme of this day is education for a better tomorrow, and today as Kisii County we've decided to celebrate it through a diabetes walk, which we will carry out from the county assembly and back to these grounds through the Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital roundabout. Thereafter, we will continue with screening for diabetes mellitus, hypertension, and the eye, with various partners who have come together to celebrate it. That is the county government of Kisii, Equity Afya, Kisii Hospital, Kenya Defeat Diabetes Association. We have Non-Communicable Diseases Alliance of Kenya and Lions Club.
igogenderete gutegerera Amang'ana Amayia kurwa Kisii FM enka y'omugusi.
Ni komiti ye bunge nene yetenenerete chibesa amune mirubirio nigegenderete komunenkia umurikyo butambe umuchore asebizere ikiganche kinene ge serikali Dr. Chris Kiprop irinde guche komwanchira gochake mirimo ya iri muriuka irimanya guche komunenkia James Muhati uyochore tuguche kobo murikyo butambe asamang'ana auchumi akwiriniria maborio guseri borira bari ko borigwa igoro yenchira barache kubwaterana n'ikyombe gikurusie bango kia KRA irinde koneke bune serikali nenyore chibesa chisaine Dr. Chris Kiprop tebirubuna nigo baramurikire enchira kiromo Kenya aranyare gwa kane bango batari kubamiga abantu bokonyorogoke wego nigo Dr. Kipropa tebirubuna ebizara yekiganche kinene ge serikali nebunerete kurigie chinchira cyokweneke buna umubaro bwa Kenya baria bakwe bachagwa kane bango obeire gogokeigwa.
Even in terms of VAT compliance is quite low. So we have to find a mechanism to ensure that those revenue leakages are reduced. Looking at 2.2 trillion, because this is I see the revenue that the latest. When we compare to our expenditure of 3.3, when you talk of fiscal consolidation, therefore we are talking about increasing the revenues, but also managing the expenditure. So you asked a question about how we can improve this tax base without affecting the hustlers. If you have zero tax or 100% tax, you may end up not getting any revenue. Really, to have a structured way of engaging the sectors. To meet certain sectors, have a discussion with them, and see what is the optimal rate that we can work on. Every business that exists for us as a government is an investment, because we have 30% that will come out of that. So I think we have to work with ways with the KRA to ensure that businesses are even supported, that you don't close a business.
Shunga kiche boigo nigo Dr. Kipropa tebiribuna nigo barachi kurigie chinchira chibesa che serikali chirabe chigutumika burunge unabono gutumika technology asobo kolerirwe serikali yenga kiye ya digital nigo begaine kebunense ya Kenya nigo ekonyora chibesa chinge goitera ugosangiriria bango ichi chigutumika gwakana madeni na bego kubakana bakuri imirimo be serikali nikwirira chinge mono gotigara ichi chigutumika gukora amagenderero.
You have revenues of 2.2 trillion. Our debt service alone is around 1 trillion. Then we have salary and emoluments that we have to pay. It takes almost the same amount that we collect, and we have a deficit of around 1 trillion. So we have to find ways. Personally, based on my experience as a PS, I think there is room to look at quality of expenditure. We can do away with stationery. We don't need to be buying stationery. And with this digital era, we could also do a lot of things through email. So we can reduce expenditure. We can do a lot of expenditure reduction.
Munchumo tegerere waige komiti ye bunge etenenere toborimi nigo jamunengia Philip Hasame uyochore tuguchikoba umo PS boborimi megaya ye Hari Kimutai uyunero chore tubuno murikyo butambe ase department tugo achikonengigwa ne komiti yo ebikaro ibyo nigo birachikoba ge cast department au ichichira chikonengia ba PS yabo abachore kero yo mokorengana ni department ara chikotenenera umurubiru jibona urachikoira igika kyamatoka 5 aribosyo.
Igogenderete gutegerera Amang'ana Amayia kurwa Kisii FM enka y'omugusi. Muncho mategerere chetanire chideka 10 iguri chinsisano nebere chabono mugaso ayegana Amang'ana Amayia genderete guchira sinchira yobwikirano eye mase ye mugwetera Kisii FM chinga kigotonyera gwetere birengo 94.1 usiba gotonyera gwetere website ya www.kisifm.co.ke na bagono bagotonyera ensemiri ya YouTube gwetera Kisii FM digital.
Kisii FM enka yomugusi
togosoka bosio na Amang'ana Amayia mwanchomo tegerere umugavana bwe county ya Trans Nzoia umusike George Natembea nigaba kulira abanyagetari meye county ejo abago kore mirimo asinya gitari che serikali kibabwate chikliniki cha babanyene kakwana nabari kwa Amang'ana Amayia ari tukuria rero umusike Natembea nigaba chikira abanyagetari abo gochora gokore mirimo asinya gitari che serikali gwesebye tige mirimo irinde banyoreri bagali gija ryo kogendereria chikliniki chabo umusike Natembea nigaine kirebuna ya county ya Trans Nzoia nigebwata abanyagetari gwetania ye imyejemo bari ne serikali kurinde marange tibari gotoka sinyagitari asingenje bagokora imirimo asi clinic cya babanyene wego nigatebere bune serikali yaje tiri guce gwanchira ningane yo nabuna abanyagitari bonse nigo babonerete gwikira n'imirimo yabo kira rituko asi cinsa kibonerete buna mukora imirimo bose mukoriye emirimo nde bwensi bwe serikali chunga kiye ego nigo natembeya aine kirebuna omubiso monne bwabochenwa se committee ya county ya Trans Nzoia amana ababisa banene babanyagitari nigo barakigotwara cyo bisi cy'abasinyagitari cyonse cye serikali me county yo irinde kumurikira bokaliri bw'abanyagitari bunenchireye mu gihugu kigukini birengo byoboceno imeye county yo ya Trans Nzoia
igogenderete gotegerera Amang'Ana Amayia kurwa KCFM enka yo mugusi
togosoka bosio umonchomo tegerere umochando bwoko borwa kuborendi amono bwibi bwetugo ase county ya Baringo amone cha county chinde cha Kenya buna bone county ya Samburu Laikipia na West Pokot nigo kwa renturo batakobonene asaba menyi bechinse mecho abo asabange babo baraba tugibetugo kubole nigo kwa birgo kuruga gucia se serikali yensi ya Kenya wetra se wizara yo borendi boime gokora gukora oboke bagubu boireira magima y'abantu abange gusirigwa amone nibe nyinge gosarigwa gakona kurwa se chinse mo cha Kabarnet imeye county ya Baringo murayo monene bwensi ya Kenya Mwesike William Ruto nigatebete buna serikali yaje nigera chikurwa n'ingani yo na kuirania oborindia mono murembasi chinse mecho nigo bigo Mwesike Ruto atebete buna nigo bagucha kuba igurira mamocho abarayigete bagi siasa abagotebekana kuba mega y'ibyombe byo bosaria byabere bigosaga n'abamenye beci county cyo
watu ambao ni wakora. Mimi nataka niwahakikishie hawa watu wachache hatuwezi kuwakubalia waharibu amani ya wananchi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Wananchi wazuri wenye wanapenda amani, hawa watu tunawapenda na tutafanya kazi na wao. Wale wachache wanasumbua nyinyi na kusumbua sisi, hawa wachia mimi. Hawa lazima tuwanyoroshe ndio wawache kulete fujo. Vile nilisema, it is not if, it is when they will stop. They must. Kwa sababu there are no two ways about it.
Muncho mutegerere abantu abange nigo babiri bakuripoti gwa guitwa guikogo kwa asichinse mecho kubatekana no gusaga no mene bibago ibyo bikoibe tugo yabo kuirira abantu abange gutegerwa chinkoma amana abange kuborwa no nyana obumenyo
Kisi FM enka yo mugusi
Wakora kurwa semese yote Amang'Ana Amayia chinsa isa no nebere chebono mugaso mwancho motegerere serikali ya county ya Garissa nigo yasoira segondi chi county chiria chia cha kirise giyo kubarusi obisi abakuri mirimo bagotebekana bali geto mirimo mincha iri chiko gento kerire chi county chio gosiria chibese chinyinge mono goitera kubalika abakuri mirimo asinchire tabonerete mugabana we county yo ya Garissa okurwa Natif Jama niga ene kiribuna e county yo nige bwata abakuri mirimo goitanya chiribuisa to nechi misano bali geto mincha iri chiko abande bata ati masakarekera nete ya masomo yecho bisi barikire chinga kya bande bakinetugwe birogo mamincha yeri chiko gakona kurwase cyo bisi cye county yo ya Garissa nigo mugavano yo alireira yo gucha gukore ngani yo erinde chibese cyo chitumeke gokora magenderero.
You find 3,500 or close to that with no any request by any department, with no any budget, with no any request to the board, with no any advert by the board, with no any short listing, and with no any appointment, no documents in the files. Then, the only thing is to find them in the payroll. Surely that is fraud. Somebody who is in job group K was suddenly taken straight away to job group Q or R. That is not in the law of the country.
Inyurubuna esegi yo ya chagituwe na bagavana bajia basobisi bwanguiga unabono kuroche county cha Kisii, Homa Bay, Nyamira amoniche county chinde igatambukiro kya oro kya bakenya bunene benyinge yaberege gukurumwa asche county gwetera umurubiro yubokolika bantu maminche iri chiko bonongo chere gotumeka buja
Kisi FM enka yo mugusi
wekera bo mwancho mutegerere nongo yakorera Amang'Ana Amayia asinchira yo wekerano chinga kichetanire chideke 15 guri chinsi sano nebere chabono mugaso mbe mona sengenjo gwacho reko yategerera imeyenka yo mugusi Kisi FM 94.1 letera nenguru kwa Purity Nyangweso tumerane nere chinsa isano nisato chinga kinda chekwirana ngendere gukomanya Amang'Ana Amayia asinchira yo bwenge
Omoelio bwa Amang'Ana Amayia bunaletwa sole na Kisi FM enka yo mugusi
Kisi FM enka yo mugusi